Hi and welcome back to another quick guide today. I'll teach you how to change modes on iPhone. iPhone includes focus modes that help you control notifications and customize how your device behaves for different activities. You can switch between modes like Do Not Disturb, Personal, Sleep, or Work in just a few taps. You can also create your own custom focus mode to match your daily routine. To begin, unlock your iPhone and swipe down from the top right corner to open the control center. Locate the focus control. Tap and hold the focus control to view available modes. Browse the list of available focus modes. Tap Do Not Disturb to enable it if that's the mode you want. Tap Personal to switch to your personal focus mode. Tap Work to activate your work-related focus settings. Tap Sleep if you want to reduce distractions during bedtime. Tap any custom focus mode you have created to switch to it. To manage or customize modes, open the Settings app. Tap Focus to view all available focus modes. Now select the focus mode to change its notification, people, apps, or schedule settings. Return to Control Center, then go to Focus by tapping and holding it whenever you want to switch to a different focus mode quickly. And turn off the active focus mode by tapping it again and Control Center when you want to receive all notifications normally. And that's all for now, folks. Thank you for watching.